Hi everyone, thank you for enrolling into this module. The title of this module is Basic Concepts of Nanomaterial. My name is Muzi bin Abdullah from the Institute of Nano-Optoelectronics Research and Technology, INO, University Science Malaysia. So let's get straight to our first topic or our first video with the title of the word of nano. Nowadays, the term nano has become a buzzword in the contemporary books, movies, television commercials, and especially in the consumer products in the market. A lot of products use the term nano for marketing and as a method of advertisement, ranging from electronic gadgetries, cosmetic products, cleaning products, health products, sports equipment, and up to various paint and coating technologies. Some even put the word nano as their company or product name as part of their marketing strategy. It is, however, the concept of nanotechnology or nanomaterials might not be regulated and diverse. Therefore, the definition of the term might vary from industry to another industry and from a product to another product. So currently there are diverse definitions about what exactly is nanotechnology. For example, some people consider the growth and the characterization of thin films as nanotechnology. Some consider the study of microstructure of material using electron microscopy is nanotechnology. Others consider the bottom-up approach in the material synthesis and fabrication as nanotechnology. Others consider the application side or application parts of nanotechnology such as microelectromechanical system, in short MEMS, and lab on chip. Drug delivery is another application, for example putting drug into nanomaterials such as carbon nanotube or gold nanoparticle so that the drug can be delivered into specific parts in our body. What else? Nanosensors, alright? Nanosensors, some people working in the nanosensors. And more futuristic and science fiction like opinions are that nanotechnology means something very ambitious, such as this miniaturized submarine in the bloodstream, smart self-replication nanorobots monitoring our body, and the idea or the concept of space exploration such as space elevator using carbon nanotubes. And there are many other definitions that people working in nanotechnology especially use to define the field. The many diverse definitions of nanotechnology reflect the fact that nanotechnology covers a broad spectrum of research field and require a true interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary efforts crossing boundaries between physics, chemistry, mathematics, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, biology, and biotechnology. So in general, nanotechnology can be understood as a technology of the design, fabrication, and application of nanomaterial. Nanotechnology enables us the following. The first is to control the matter on the atomic level, referring to nanomaterials. And the second is to build using atoms as the building blocks to become a nanomaterial or nanostructure. And the third is to manufacture novel nanomaterials with novel properties. Now you might ask, what is nanomaterials, right? Defining nanomaterials is never straightforward. So the main reason for this is the size-dependent properties of material evolve from bulk to nanoscale in a continuous way. So therefore, there is no particular boundary of scale that we can use to define the boundary of nanomaterial. So most of the time, these properties also depends on its shape, composition, aspect ratio, and whatnot, right? Many properties. And in fact, the definition of nanomaterial is still an active area of scientific and policy debate, although few accepted requirements are small in size, high surface area, and enhanced reactivity over bulk materials. So according to European Commission and also US National Science and Technology Council, the definition of nanomaterial is the object with a typical size of 1 to 100 nanometer. but this is not necessarily agreed by everyone working in nanotechnology field. Some set the requirement that materials need to be at least 50% with the size between 1 to 100 nanometer for it to be considered nanomaterials. Others, they put the higher limit up to 250 nanometer, and some suggesting a weight-based threshold for the size distribution for the definition of nanomaterial. So therefore, as part of the activities in this module, at the end of the video, please write in the comment section, what is nanomaterials in your own word. By now, you should be aware that the word nano is actually a prefix that is equal to the order of 10 to the power of negative 9 meter. So 1 nanometer is equal to 0.000000001 meter, or equal to 10 Armstrong. 1 nanometer is the length if you line up 10 of the smallest atom that we have in the periodic table, which is hydrogen, or if you line up just 3 of the largest atom in terms of the atomic radius in the periodic table, which is this the atom of cesium. So at this stage, do not be confused with the term nanoparticles, nanostructure, and whatnot, because they are just the subset of nanomaterials. We will talk about the term and names of the different types of nanomaterial in another module.